Hello everyone. In today's video, we are exploring link in bio widget, which can be a great way to showcase your content in a single, easily accessible location. So what is a link in bio page? A link in bio page can be a simple page like a part of your main website, or it can be a single page website that acts as a central hub for all your important content or links like social media profiles, products, services, videos, blog posts, or it can be anything, any content you want your audience access quickly. So link in bio page is kind of one master link that leads to a curated list of destination. Now page can be uploaded as an individual website or part of a website too. So your URL link can be a part of your main domain, or page can be launched as a subdomain as well, or it can be independent website URL as well. So if you are wondering why we need such a page, well, one should create such page if instead of juggling multiple links, this page will let you organize everything in one neat clickable layout. So to your audience, you are showing kind of main items. Another reason can be engagement. You can direct your followers to specific call to action like shop now, read blog, book a call. Each button can drive traffic exactly you want it. By creating your own link page with Elementor or any custom code, it will let you match your colors, font, style for a fully branded experience. With online tool, there might be some limitation in customization. Also, you own your design, domain, analytics. You are not dependent on a third party platform, so you can customize everything and track performance better. Now, using Elementor, you can build a fully branded LinkedIn bio page that works perfectly across all devices. Let's check out the widget. On this website, I have Elementor installed. Now, if you look into the widget, you will find 7 styles to choose from. Now, let's check out each styles separately. So, I'm creating one. This is just for demo purpose. So here first is a minimalist. Now this style displays buttons to most important links by keeping things clean. So if that is your requirement, you can go for this. Now let's choose another one. Second option is a classic. In classic, it gives extra cover image, uh, also profile picture option, and lead visitors to your key information. So that is a classic style. Another is showcase. In showcase, you can display your work with images, buttons that engage people to click. So with image, you get immediate link. Next is links. This style is for you if you want attention on your links. So it is a very simple style. You just display your links. Next is a services. Now with this style layout, highlight all the different services that you provide and make them stand out. Next is a portfolio. Now this style you can choose if you want to constantly showcase your best work. So here just you choose image and you are good to go. Last is a business card. This card style has a professional tone. With this layout, they mostly emphasizes contact info and social link. So these are the 7 styles Elementor Widget provides. which you can choose. Now these are ready styles. You can also create your own custom link in bio layout. So let's create one quickly. So for my link in bio page, I am creating page as a part of my main domain. So I'm creating one page. Let's take temporary name all links. I'm publishing it. So this will be this URL. I will paste it whenever I want to show this page. Okay. So here I am creating a page with Elementor. I don't want header footer for this page. So first I am fixing that. I'm going in the page setting and choosing Elementor canvas. Okay, so now page has no header and footer. So I'm creating here. I am choosing Flexbox content width. This is mostly used with a mobile device. So let's keep it 400. Now this will be my maximum content width. So here I am just randomly create a layout using Elementor elements. This is to just show that along with a widget, you can also create your own style while creating such a page. So let's say first I put some profile picture, then I am putting heading. Okay. After my name, I want to show my title. So for that, I am using para. Okay. Next, I want to show uh, direct image links to my audience. So they directly click on it and they go to my portfolio. So for that, I'm simply putting images and with a quick title. So for that, I'm using grid. I want total 4 images inside of it. So I'm choosing these two rows, two columns. Okay, I don't want any description. Same thing I want for another column. Okay, so these are quick links towards my services. Okay, now to my audience, after showing my portfolio links, I want to show them something about myself. I want to give more details than this title and name. So I am adding another para for it. Okay, so this will be a second section. After that, I want to add my social contacts. So for that, I'm adding social media widget. That's it. For my link in bio page, I want to show this much. Now let's see. Okay. So you can, this is just a demo purpose that you can design your own link in bio page if you don't want to use a pre-built widget style. In pre-built widget style, if you are using, let's say I'm here adding one section. Let's say for my LinkedIn bio page, I'm choosing portfolio style. So you just drag and drop the style, and here you change the your information. It will reflect here. You cannot modify existing, but you can add something above and below. So this is it for today. See you in a next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.